Hello and welcome to Let Them Talk, the channel that goes deeper into everything about the English language. And welcome to another 2-minute grammar. Yes, that's right. When you take 2 minutes from your busy schedule to learn a little English grammar. Okay, so let's do this thing because we've just got 2 minutes approximately.
2-minute grammar.
Right, so have a look at this sentence and tell me if it's correct or incorrect. I would eat a donut, but I'm on a diet. I would eat a donut, but I'm on a diet. Yes, it is. Next question, is this correct? When I was young, I would eat a donut every Sunday with my friends. Yes, it is. Hooray. In English, we use would as a conditional, okay, in conditional sentences. But did you know that would is also used as a past tense? Yes, that's right. We use would to talk about repetitive actions in the past. Repetitive actions in the past. Let's look at some examples. When I was a student, I would study at night because it was more peaceful. When I was a student, I would study at night because it was more peaceful. When I was young, I would often think about joining the army. I would often think about joining the army. The other girls would go and play outside, but she would sit in the corner and read a book. Okay? And as you may have noticed, in the examples I gave you, you could also use used to in those sentences. Yes, that's right. Used to is also correct here. When I was a student, I used to study at night because it was more peaceful. Perfectly correct. But be careful because used to and would are not always used in the same way. You cannot use would for a past state or things that lasted a long time. I used to smoke. That's correct, but you cannot say I would smoke, all right? I used to live in the countryside, all right? That's a past state. You cannot say I would live in the countryside. No, that sounds like a conditional. So would is very specific about repetitive actions in the past or past habits, okay? And usually with a time reference. Now, would is a bit more formal than used to, and you'll read it a lot in English, in novels in English, and you'll see it there all the time. So if you don't know the difference between would as a conditional and would as a past tense, then you're going to get very confused. So do learn it. Okay, that's it. I hope you found that useful. And once again, thank you very much for watching. Stay mellow and see you in the next video.